Okay, the only way to do this is put it in the calculator. You don't want to deal with this mess without a calculator. So when you go to y equals and you put in 1/2 e, which is right beside or right above natural log, to the exponent 0.7x. Go to the table and get some points. And the points I'm getting are -2, 0.12, 0, 1/2 or 0.5, 2, and it's going to be about 2.0, and 4 is going to be about 8. So if you're graphing that, it's going to be pretty close to 0 here at this point. 0 would be 1/2. 2 is going to be 2, and 4 is going to be 8. So it's going to look like this. That is a growth because it's going up. The y-intercept is at 0, 1/2. And the asymptote is the line that it never touches. And you can see that it gets closer and closer to y equals 0, but it never actually touches it. So that is your asymptote. All right, on number 20, you need to put that into y equals. And that's going to be parentheses 1/4 to the exponent x. And graph that. And let's get some points. So I'm going to do -1/4, 1.25. Oh, I forgot 0. So 0, 1, and 2 is going to be 0.06. Okay, so -1 is 4, 1 is 0.25, 0 is 1, and 2 is just practically 0. And so it's going to go like this. Because when it goes from left to right, it's going downhill. That is a decay. And you'll get closer and closer and closer to 0, but you won't reach it, so that you have an asymptote, and that's going to be when y is 0, because it will never be 0, it just gets so close you can't tell. And the y-intercept is when x is 0, y is 1, so it's going to be 0, 1.